Hello everyone! Today I'm gonna show you how to draw an realistic egg. So I'm making this four markings on the top and bottom and also the left and right. So starting from the bottom, I'm connecting the point on left and right. So you can do it very lightly. In case you need to erase off the lines, it will be very easy to do so. I'm drawing the shape of the shadows area, which is the darkest area. So now I'm drawing out the shape of the darker value. I will be using Darwin colored pencil for this tutorial. I like to start with underpainting, which means I will start with the shadow areas. I start with black color for the shadow area. So there's no fixed rule in arts. You can choose any darker color you want. So something like darker brown, or for my case I'm using black color, so it is always depend on your choice. As you can see, I'm coloring very lightly because this is the first layer, and if I wanted to make it darker, I can always do that by doing layering later on. So now I'm using red color for the second layer. Try to reduce my strength when it comes to the lighter area. So this is because I don't really want the color value change drastically from dark area to light area. Okay, so now this is kind of red and black color. Seems like they don't merge together. So now I'm using light brown as a blender to kind of merge these two colors together. Always remember to color very lightly around the highlight area. Now I'm coloring another layer with the yellowish brown. So I'm going around the lightest area. I'm using white color as a blender and at the same time to reduce the color saturation. By doing so, I can create a more realistic and natural color tone. So just keep going to soften all the color. And I know this is very tiring, but believe me, you will be happy to see the outcome. I wanted to make the egg looks happy, so I put on a bit of yellow color. You can always repeat the step until you are satisfied with the outcome. I keep on layering because I want to create a smoother surface. White color to color the highlight area is because I don't want it to be too bright, so I wanted to use the white color to neutral its original color. So every time if you block in a darker color, you can always use a lighter color to blend the color so it can have a natural transition. Okay, next I'm using black color for the shadow area. I'm using purple color to create the cast shadow, and then it will create a more blurry effect. Again, I'm using white color as a blender. I'm using yellow color to give it a slightly warm temperature on the shadow area. The final step, I'm using cotton bud for blending. The reason why I don't want to use white color for blending is because I'm happy with the colors, so I don't really want to desaturate this color by adding white color on top of it. You can add in those small dots on the surface. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video and I will see you in my next video. Bye!